Hello foodies, welcome to my channel. Jumbo shrimp or prawns fried to perfection with some awesome herbs and seasonings. This prawn Koliwada recipe is everyone's favorite. Make it as a snack or appetizer for your party. It's going to be a hit every time. Let me show you my quick and easy way to make it. Come on. We will start with the masala paste first. This masala paste can be used for a variety of veg and non-veg dishes. Blend without water first. Now we will add lemon juice and blend it to a paste. Keep this aside for a while. Here I have jumbo shrimp or prawns cleaned, washed and patted dry. We will season these. This is koli masala and it's available in most grocery stores. It has so much flavor and it elevates the dish instantly. It has all the necessary spices combined to give this dish its unique taste. This is the masala paste we made earlier and I'm adding all of it. We have to mix this well so each shrimp is coated with the awesome masala. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Now I'm adding some rice flour for a nice crispy texture it gives to the shrimp after frying. Make sure it coats the shrimp well. This is chickpea flour which helps to bind everything together. Again, make sure it's mixed well so it coats each shrimp. Some oil to keep the masala sticking to the shrimp. Marinate for 10 minutes. Drop each shrimp or prawn in medium hot oil and fry until nice and crispy and golden. Move them in between so they don't stick together. If you like my recipes, then go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon for I keep posting such awesome recipes every week. Looks good already, don't you think? Look at how lovely these look, perfectly crispy and crunchy. Sprinkle some chaat masala over the prawns when the prawns are nice and hot so it sticks to them. Garnish with some coriander leaves and serve hot. Hope you like this quick and easy prawn Koliwada recipe and thanks for watching. I'll see you next week with another awesome recipe. Until then, bye.